Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to discuss Mendeleev's periodic law. He was a father of periodic table and he was the first person who discovered that how can we arrange systematically all the elements which have been discovered, and he kept a place for the elements which are going to discovered in the future. So let us discuss this. This topic is under CBSE. So Mendeleev's periodic table or periodic law, whatever he has designed, and he arranged 63 elements. So at that time 63 elements were known and he arranged according to their property. And as a base, what he took a compounds formed by elements with hydrogen and oxygen. For example, any compound like fluorine. So he found out that fluorine will make which kind of compound with hydrogen. Fluorine will make which kind of compound with oxygen. What are the fluorine hydrides and fluorine oxides are there, and he gave a specific formula to that, and he took out some of the elements which are making the similar compound which has a similar molecular formula, and they all have similar physical and chemical properties. So this is how he arranged his periodic table, that here he has written the molecular formula from oxide and hydride. This is oxide formula. So all this group, he called all the horizontal columns a period and all vertical columns a group. So the first place he gave to hydrogen. So here R2O, that means hydrogen's oxide's formula is H2O. R means whatever element he has placed here. Here RH, that means R is again a hydrogen, that is this element, and H is hydride. So when hydrogen will form a hydride, then it is 2H, that means H2. So that is how he wrote all the molecular formula here. For the second group, he wrote formula that RO and RH2. For example, here he placed Be. So when beryllium we are taking, the formula of beryllium with oxygen is BeO and with hydrogen is BeH2. So that is how he arranged all the elements according to how they are making hydride and oxide. So what he found out that there are some similar properties in the groups and in the periods, and he gave the name groups, columns, periods and all. Then he arranged in order of their increasing atomic weight. What was the base of his arrangement? Was atomic weight, atomic mass. He arranged in order of their increasing order of their atomic mass. He also observed that there was a periodic reoccurrence of physical and chemical properties. He also observed via this arrangement that this physical and chemical properties are reappearing after certain elements. And after that he gave a law, and this was known as Mendeleev's periodic law. The properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. Periodic function means it is repetitive. As we are arranging them in increasing order of the atomic mass, these properties are repeating by itself after certain interval, after certain elements. They are repeating. That means the properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic mass. And when this will happen, when we are arranging elements in increasing order of their atomic mass. Now let us discuss some of the achievements of Mendeleev periodic table. So first one is scientists have approved it. Scientists approved it, and this was the first periodic table which was hold true for all the existing criteria at that time. Second, noble gases placed in new group without disturbing existing elements. Noble gases were found very lately after Mendeleev's periodic table, but when they found out they have been placed in Mendeleev periodic table, and that too without disturbing existing element, and they could arrange noble gases in separate group. Mendeleev predicted some of the elements based on the gaps in between. At that time some of the elements were not known, but through his arrangement, whatever gaps were there in between, he could predicted some of the elements, and those elements later found out. Some of the elements were like scandium, gallium, germanium. All these elements were found out because of the gaps remaining in Mendeleev's periodic table. So these were the achievements of Mendeleev's periodic table. So let us discuss the limitations of Mendeleev's periodic law or periodic table. So the first is, there was no fixed position assigned to hydrogen. Mendeleev could not judge or could not decide the position of hydrogen, because hydrogen has dual nature and it shows properties similar to halides also and similar to alkali metals also. So there was no fixed position for hydrogen in his periodic table. Second is, no arrangement for isotopes, because he arranged all the elements in increasing order of the atomic mass. So when we are talking about isotope, hydrogen has 3 isotopes. So with one element, he cannot give one element 3 different places. But if we can assign the places according to the increasing order of atomic mass, then we have to give 3 different places to hydrogen. But that is not correct when we are thinking about isotope. And isotopes have been discovered long after Mendeleev's periodic table. So at that time, Mendeleev's periodic table was not, this arrangement was not hold true for all those isotopes. Then third, atomic masses do not increase at regular manner. This is very important. They are increasing but not in regular manner. So wherever he placed a blank that this will be discovered in the future and this is the place for it, then at that time it was not possible to predict that how many elements can be placed or could be discovered in between the two elements, because there was no certain pattern for atomic mass to increase. So these were few limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table, and all of this because of he has arranged periodic table according to their atomic masses.